Good. Oh dear. Do you want to have the cord, Dad?
Once already. Hello.
Would you like to have the cord?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Look how calm, cool, and collected you are now.
Hello, you. Hello,
Breathing
you.
comfortably.
Dad, are you ready with your camera?
Well, she was born 5 minutes ago, so she was born at 5:30 on 22nd of March.
It's very painful towards the end.
Yeah, darling.
Oh.
There she is.
Just want to make sure we don't miss the wheat.
Hello, you.
So,
Hello, you.
Dad, don't touch
Okay,
it.
don't touch,
Okay,
sorry.
it's okay, just for us.
Oh, you open your eyes.
33.
Oh, hello.
33.50. Here you are. 33.57.6. Thank you. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, do you want to take the weight? 7.6. This is
She's
the weight.
7'6".
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, she's so soft. Yeah. Welcome to the world.
You've got little gremlin fingers like your little brother had.
Her face is the same as well, isn't it?
Exactly the same as Zach. She looks like Zach. Don't you? Yeah. Little gremlin fingers. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello.
Oh, her hands are cold. Oh, baby. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay.